Assalamu alaikum dear student, how are you all? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an elementary science class for class 4 student. Today our topic is natural resources. Dear student, we have already discussed about some topics from this chapter. Today we will start. This is your science book. We will start from page number 51. Okay, when you watching this class, please you can follow your book also. So let's start today's topic. This is chapter 7. Uses of natural resources for energy production. Natural resources provide us with energy we need for our daily life. Energy is the ability to do things. Energy can move something, make sound, and produce light and heat. People use some natural resources to get energy. Anything that can be used to produce energy is called an energy resource. Sunlight, wind, water current, oil, coal and natural gas are energy resources. Sunlight. The sunlight is an important energy resource. People use solar panels to get energy from the sun. Solar panels are devices that transform sunlight into electricity. You can see this picture. Here is a picture. You can see here is a solar panel. Solar panel change sunlight into electricity. We may have seen solar panel on the roofs of houses or on a calculator. Now wind. Wind is one of the most promising energy resources. People use wind to produce electricity also. When the wind turns the blades of a wind turbine, it spins a generator and produces electricity. We can see this picture. Here is a wind turbine. Wind turns the blade of wind turbine and produce electricity. Next is water current. Water current is one of the energy resources. Water current turns the blades of a turbine and spins a generator to produce electricity. You can see this picture. Water current from dam generate electricity. Now oil, coal and natural gas. Oil, coal and natural gas are non-renewable resources. They are called fossil fuel. When they are burned, they produce heat. The heat is used to cook food, to run vehicles, to produce electricity and to warm houses in the whole countries. Next is conservation of natural resources. Conservation is the preserving and wise use of natural resources. Natural resources are limited, so we need to conserve natural resources. There are many ways that we can conserve natural resources. First one is reducing the uses of resources. The best way to conserve natural resources is being economical while using natural resource. When we reduce trash or energy use, we use fewer natural resources. For example, we can turn out gas burner after cooking. Now, reusing resources. We have learned how we can reuse paper by making bag with it from our textbook. And we can see this picture. We can reuse our clothes by fixing it again. When we reuse something, we can reduce trash and help save natural resources. We should use something over and over again before recycling or throwing it away. When something is broken, we should try to fix it instead of putting it in the trash and buying it again new. Recycling resources. Recycling is to use old materials to make new things. If we recycle, we do not have to use more natural resources. For example, by recycling paper, we can reduce the number of trees cut down a year because paper is made from trees. You can see this picture. We can recycle this old newspaper into a new paper, and we can use it again and again by this recycling process. Using renewable resources. People get most of electricity mainly from non-renewable resources such as oil, coal and natural gas. However, non-renewable resources cannot be replaced once they have been used up. Instead, we should use renewable resources like sunlight, water, force, wind, such as sunlight, wind and water current. Changing behavior. The best way to conserve natural resources is to change our behaviors. We can reduce our energy use by turning off lights when they are not needed. We can reuse paper by writing on both sides of paper. We can also recycle the used cans or the old aluminum to make new things. Dear student, today we will learn broad question 1. Broad question 1. Question is, energy is the ability to do things. How do we get energy from natural resources? The answer will be, people use some natural resources to get energy. They are 1 number sunlight. The sunlight is an important energy resource. People use solar panel to get energy from the sun that transform sunlight into electricity. Wind. Wind is one of the most promising energy resources. When the wind turns the blade of a wind turbine, it spins a generator and produces electricity. 3 number point is water current. Water current is the most widely used energy resources. Water current turns the blades of a turbine and spins a generator to produce electricity. Number 4 point is oil, coal and natural gas. Oil, coal and natural gas are non-renewable resources. They are called fossil fuels. When they are burned, they give off heat. Dear student, you have to do some SW. Your SW number is 3 number SW, that means third number SW, and your SW will be broad question 1. Broad question 1, that means this broad question. That means you have to do this broad question from this chapter. This broad question. Student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice at home and stay home and abide by your parents. See you again in our next class. Thank you.